Hello, everybody. Thank you for being here with me. Today, I'm here in the woods, my favorite place in the world. For as comfortable and beautiful our homes are, this is the place where I feel more at home, feel connected to who I really am, my true nature. And I would like to challenge a general common misunderstanding and misconception that us as humans are separate from the rest of the natural world, from nature. Uh, we use expressions like I need to go back to nature, or I want to go back to nature, um, or I love being in nature, as if we were separate from it. And this sense of separation probably comes from indoctrinations and conditionings that we have received from um, philosophicals and religious teachings that put human beings and men as human beings at the center of the universe, at the center of the world, very conveniently, if you ask me. Uh, so we are at the center, and everything else is at our disposals, and because it it's there, it's out there, it's not part of who we are. There is no connection, there is a disconnection. And I would like to challenge that, because that's not the way I feel it. The way I feel it is that we are connected, that we are at the center of the universe, in the same way that these trees are, the mountains, the rivers that down there that you can't see, but I promise you is there, is, and all are. We have no more rights to be here than anything or anyone else. I strongly believe that. For as much as my ego would like me to think that I'm more precious and my life is more precious than the one of the lions in the savannah or the cats in my home. But I'm not. Not because I'm not worth it, not because I am less, but because everything is connected to everything. And when a tree dies, a part of me dies with it. Is energy that is moving around, transforming and taking different forms. So yeah, we are not separate. We are part of nature. We don't come from it, because how can you come from something that you are? Doesn't seem right to me. So take this as a short reminder that every time you see yourself saying, I need to go back to nature, saying something like, I am, or feeling that you are separate from nature, I'd like to remind you that you're not. I'd like to remind you that you're not separate from nature, because you never left. Thank you for listening.